Union Health Ministry has now released data on the vaccine distribution across the country. Now, according to the release, more than 1.84 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses are still available with states and union territories, and they are set to receive over 11 lakh doses within the next 3 days. Now, the press release also says that the center has so far provided both through the free of cost category as well as the direct state procurement category more than 22 crore vaccines doses to states and union territories. Madhurima is on the phone line for more on this. Madhurima, give us more details. Now, what we're understanding is that the center says that about 1.84 crore doses have been provided to states, and those are to be used over the next few days. Okay, I don't think we've got Madhurima on the phone line yet, but the center coming out with that data on vaccine distribution. Do remember that the center has been under considerable criticism from the states where they've been saying that they don't have enough doses to inoculate their population. Let's go back now to Madhurima. She's joining me live on the broadcast right now. Madhurima, give us more details of the data that has been released by the Health Ministry. Essentially what it means is that the Health Ministry says that there are enough doses available for at least vaccination for the next 2 to 3 days.
Absolutely, Nupur. That is what the Central Health Ministry has said. They have, in a release, very categorically stated that over 1.84 crore vials of doses of vaccine are available with the states, and this comes as multiple states have been accusing the government of leaving them alone and have left themselves on their own, where the center had asked the states to procure the vaccine from private players like Pfizer and Moderna. But the center, in another release also today, breaking the myths, has said that they have not left the states on their own, though they are doing all the heavy lifting, and which is why they are releasing this data, which categorically states that over 1.84 crores doses are still available with the states. However, the center has clarified that they are doing everything possible to make sure that states get as many vaccines as possible, and at the same time they have, in a release, also added that the center is making umpteen efforts. At the same time, it becomes very difficult for other companies from various other countries to issue vaccines in such a short notice. Hence, all the deliberations along with all the missions in different countries are being made, and it is not correct the way the rumors are being peddled all across the media forum and all across the country, that the center has abdicated its efforts and from providing the vaccines to the state. This is why the central government, the health ministry, has come forward and released this data state-wise as well, that how many vials are with such specific states, and it is, the dosage, that the amount of stock they have is good for coming few days. Nupur.
All right, Madhurima bringing us those details. Thank you very much for joining us. The center over there coming out with data of the number of doses that are available with the states and union territories right now. Now, the Union Health Ministry has also said that India has administered about 20 million doses of coronavirus vaccine and had completed it in 130 days, while the US took 124 days to reach the mark.